Hello guys, I hope you are feeling competitive well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arash and I'm here to teach you French language in English. In two previous videos, as you already know, we discussed everything related to questioning in French language and how to make a question. Now we are in the book, la page 13, page 13, and the book name, as you already know, it's Grammaire en dialogue, the name, and Niveau débutant. La question, because this word is feminine, so you must put la as an article. La question is the question. Est-ce que you got familiar with this word in previous videos? Est-ce que and with est-ce que you can make more polite questions, and I told you about qu'est-ce que and how we made qu'est-ce que in French language. It was quoi, then it came at the beginning of the sentence, it was converted to co, and then we put next to it est-ce que to make it more polite, and it was turned into qu'est-ce que. You know all of them now. Réponse, put la before it, la réponse, because it's a feminine word. Put la here. La réponse means the answer. The answer, oui, yes, no, no. The question is est-ce que, so you have est-ce que here. So what kind of question it is? It is a polite question with est-ce que. The second format, est-ce que vous travaillez ici? When you have est-ce que, you must put est-ce que at the beginning of the sentence, as I told you, and in the other part of the sentence it's impossible to have est-ce que and inversion at the same time. So it's impossible to say est-ce que travaillez-vous. Be careful about this matter. And there is no question word here. If you had a question word, you had to put it at the beginning of the sentence. Est-ce que vous travaillez ici? Travailler means to work. Est-ce que vous travaillez ici? Est-ce que vous travaillez ici? Do you work here? Vous travaillez ici? This is the format avec intonation, because there is no est-ce que, there is no inversion, so it is the normal way of questioning avec intonation. Vous travaillez ici? Do you work here? Forme familière, intonation. It is written here that this type, the second one, is for put la next to it, before it, la forme. La forme means the form. La forme familière, the familiar form, and intonation. You know, intonation with your putting your making your voice up. So the answer, la réponse is oui, yes. Je travaille ici. I work here. Travailler is what kind of verb? It's the first type of verb. Le premier groupe avec or at the end. Je travaille ici. Je travaille, tu travailles. Guys, now you have a word. You have a verb. You have an infinitive, travailler. So you must put travailler. I will make it travailler. So guys, you must conjugate it. Je travaille, tu travailles, il travaille, elle travaille, on travaille, nous travaillons, vous travaillez, il travaille, and elle travaille. Whenever you arrive, whenever you have a new verb, you must conjugate it to keep in your mind. Je travaille ici. I work here. No, this is the negative form. No, and you know that in the negative format you must put no at before the conjugation of the verb and pas after it. So no, je ne travaille pas ici, or je ne travaille pas ici. Liaison. Je ne travaille pas ici. I don't work here. Qu'est-ce qu'elle, sorry, est-ce qu'elle, est-ce que, avec elle, it is, there's an apostrophe here. Est-ce qu'elle parle grec? Est-ce qu'elle parle grec? Greek. Parler. Est-ce qu'elle parle grec? Does he speak Greek? This is avec est-ce que. Elle parle grec, intonation. Oui, elle parle grec. She speaks Greek. Non, elle ne parle pas grec. She doesn't speak Greek. La réponse, je, tu, il, nous, vous, il. Qu'est-ce que? You know, qu'est-ce que means what? Qu'est-ce que? And the question is a polite format avec est-ce que. Qu'est-ce que tu regardes à la télévision? À la télévision, on TV. Regarde, it comes from the verb regarder. Regarder, it is the infinitive of the verb and it is uh, le premier group, the first group ends on OR, so you must conjugate it. Je regarde, tu regardes, il regarde, elle regarde, on regarde, nous regardons, vous regardez, il regarde and elle regarde. Est-ce que tu regardes à la... Pardon, qu'est-ce que tu regardes à la télévision? What you What do you watch on TV? Je regarde un match. This is the answer, la réponse. Je regarde, I watch, un match. Match means, like English language, it's a match. Qu'est-ce qu'il mange? Mange, it comes from the word manger, that is also le premier groupe, because it ends in OR, so je mange, tu manges, il mange, elle mange, on mange, nous mangeons, vous mangez, il mange, elle mange. Guys, I emphasizes on it, I insisted on it, on the conjugation, because conjugation is really, really important for you, because whenever you have domination on the conjugation, by passing the time, whenever you are going to speak French language, it is impossible to forget the conjugation of the word, because while you are speaking you need different conjugation, so if you have domination the conjugation will not be forgotten. Qu'est-ce qu'il mange? Qu'est-ce qu'il mange? What does he eat? Manger means to eat. What does he eat? Qu'est-ce qu'il mange? What does he eat? Il mange un sandwich. Il mange un sandwich. He eats a sandwich. And it is written here whenever co meets these vowels, these vowels, a, e, I, o, u, y, and h, it is you must delete o from the end of this word, and after that put an apostrophe that I told you thousands times. This is something that you know. Here we have remarque. Put la here, la remarque. It's a remark. La structure. Structure means the structure. La structure, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? French speakers say that. Oh la la, qu'est-ce que c'est? What is it? What is it? Qu'est-ce que means what? C'est means it is. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What it is. Or what is it? La structure, the structure of qu'est-ce que c'est est correct. It is correct. Ne dites pas. Don't say that. It is, guys, it is sorry. It is the imperative format, imperative or imperative format of the verb that we will tell about it in the following videos. Ne dites pas. Don't say qu'est-ce que sa profession. Qu'est-ce que sa profession? It's not correct. Mais quelle est sa profession? Quelle is another question word that is also the meaning is like which. It is like what or which. In English, quelle est sa profession? What is his profession? Or what is her profession? Quel est son numéro de téléphone? Le numéro de téléphone means telephone number. Quel est son numéro de téléphone? What is his or her number? And it is written voir chapitre 2, that I think that we thought about it about kel, and if I didn't do it, I will do it in the following videos. I will tell you all the formats of kel that we have in French language. Guys, we have finished the grammar part. In the next video we will go through the text that exists here. There's a big text, and then please pay attention to this part, the exercises. Please do the exercises by yourself. If you have any questions related to the exercise part, put your questions, ask your question in the comment format. I will answer them as soon as possible. Guys, have a good time. I will finish this video here, and in the next video I will go through the text. Bye.